Welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. We back at it again. Today we are at the Embassy Suites in Norman, Oklahoma, outside of Oklahoma City. We're gonna start right now by the front room. You wanna say hi, Larry? You wanna help me?
Hi.
Yeah, that's Larry. Anyways, this is the front room right here. This is the lounge room. This is also can be a bedroom because the couch comes out as a bed. And that's my mom right there. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
And we got the TV over here. Of course, you need the TV so you can watch, your TV shows and all that when we wind down tonight. Then I'm gonna take it over here. We got the little table where we can eat, chill, read a book. We ain't reading no book on vacation, but that's the table over there. We got the phone. We need to make calls or whatever. And yeah, this right here is the front area. So I'm gonna take out over here to the sink. There. So tell me what this is.
A sink and make coffee. And I think these are cups.
Yep. What about here? That's a safe. We got a safe so we can put our personal belongings in if we need to. Open that up. Show them what that is.
This is a refrigerator.
That's a refrigerator. Okay, we got a microwave. In our past videos, we always complain about microwaves, so thank God we got one of them. Okay, to take on here, the necessity bathroom. Bathroom. Damn.
Lyric.
Okay, this is the bathroom. Of course, it's the usual. Got your sink. Got your toilet. I can't even talk now.
Right.
And then here goes our shower. And we got this nice little paint on the wall. Just a normal bathroom. Okay, now I'm gonna take y'all to where the magic happens.
Ooh.
This video all messed up. Hey, this is our room right here. We staying here for a night, so we're gonna be sharing the room with the kids. But yeah, we're gonna be sharing a room with the kids. So this is our room. It's a double bedroom. We got our closet to put our clothes in. Got our iron and stuff. Because we don't want to walk around wrinkled. Oh, I can't forget about the selfie mirror. Selfie mirror. Okay, take it over here. We got the TV, of course, so we can watch TV at night when we wind down. We got our little table so we can chill. And like I said, read a book. But we ain't reading no book on vacation.
Doing this reading book.
Say hi to the kids. You just see there. There goes Jada with her bonnet. She got a double bonnet and a bandana. This is our view out here. This is our view of where we at in Norman, Oklahoma. So what we're gonna do is try to go find something to eat over here. Oh, that's the turkey slider. But yeah, this is where we at, man. Norman, Oklahoma. We're gonna enjoy the night out here. We thank y'all for watching Jeazie's Cribs. Until next time.
Oh, I got a Target down there.